Bitfinex Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. Welcome to my review of Bitfinex, one of the most advanced cryptocurrency exchanges in the market. If you're a seasoned trader looking for high liquidity, robust tools, and a professional-grade platform, Bitfinex is tailored to meet your needs. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and popular altcoins, with over 200 trading pairs available. The platform excels with its advanced trading features like margin trading, lending, derivatives, and customizable charting tools through TradingView integration, making it a top choice for technical traders. One standout feature is its margin trading, offering up to 10x leverage, combined with a peer-to-peer funding market that allows users to either borrow or lend funds for trading at custom rates. For institutional users, Bitfinex provides a suite of API solutions for algorithmic trading and access to an OTC desk for large volume transactions without impacting market prices. The exchange also offers staking services for popular tokens, allowing you to earn passive rewards with minimal effort. Security is a priority, with most funds stored in cold wallets, 2FA, withdrawal whitelisting, and advanced encryption protocols to safeguard your assets. While the interface might feel intimidating to beginners, the layout is sleek, responsive, and fully customizable, catering perfectly to experienced traders. Deposits can be made via crypto, Tether, or bank wire transfers, though note that fiat deposits come with a minimum limit and small fees, which might not suit casual investors. Additionally, Bitfinex offers a mobile app with the same functionality as its desktop counterpart, ensuring seamless trading on the go. In my experience, Bitfinex's order execution speed and liquidity are excellent, especially in high-volume trading pairs like BTC USD and ETH USD. However, it's worth mentioning that Bitfinex has faced scrutiny in the past over controversies involving Tether and regulatory compliance, though the platform has made significant efforts to rebuild trust and improve transparency. Overall, Bitfinex is best for experienced traders and institutions who need advanced tools and deep liquidity. If you're just starting, you might find the platform overwhelming, but for those who want top-tier functionality, it's worth exploring. Let me know in the comments if Bitfinex aligns with your trading style or if you've had any experiences worth sharing.